Sognsveien 77 near Oslo, Norway, staircase A. Oh, this robot hydraulic. Basement. It's 93957. It just said the year of construction. Third floor. Thirteen plus 1000 kilograms. Basement. Door only one direction. Inspected by Norway's control, maintained by Kone. I don't know if this building elevators are also going to be modernized by Kone, like Sognsveien 75. 75G has Kone managed elevator with 6 fixtures, but it's behind locked doors, unfortunately. I think they are not going to modernize it. It would be completely neat, as mine says. Ground floor. That's